Today, we will learn how to import page templates into product details React component. Also, we will create React carousel components for product images. Product details page template comes from Start Bootstrap website. Check the following URL on the screen and click download button to download the zipped file. Unzip it, then open the index.html file. Copy the HTML markup between product section. Open product details.js file in the component folder. Paste the copied code into return statement. Search and replace all the class attributes to class name. Convert the inline style statement into a variable. Next, we will populate product details data into page templates by using React hooks. First, import use effect hook from React. Import use selector use dispatch hooks from React Redux. Also import use parameter hook from React Router DOM. Define dispatch variable using dispatch function. Extract product details data from states using use selector Redux hook. Extract ID information using use parameters function. Use parameters React hook will return an object of key value pairs of URL parameters. Inside the use effect function calling dispatch methods, passing get product details for action with ID parameter. Dispatch ID will be use effect function dependencies. In return statement, passing product details data into HTML markup, including product._id, product.name, product.price, and product.description. Next step, we will create React carousel components for product images. First, open terminal window. Type command npm install React Bootstrap at next. Bootstrap at 5.1.0. Let's check React carousel documentation. In template HTML code, we have few carousel items. We only need to copy one carousel item. Back to product details.js file and the component folder. Import useState hook from React. Create a new array variable using useState hook. The new variable has two properties. One is items, another is setItems function. Inside the useEffects function, after dispatch methods, calling setItems function, assigning a new value to items variable. The new value is carousel HTML markup. Product.images is an array containing two images at least. Calling map method to loop through each image and create carousel item. Set image src attributes equal to image.url. Product.images following by two ampersand marks. It is a conditional statement. If the value of product.images is not none, it will return the following code. Otherwise, nothing will be returned. Next step, update the HTML code with items variable. Now we have finished the setup for HTML templates. In the browser window, we will see the carousel component showing up on the page. In the Redux debug window under State tab, we can see the product details data. Today, we have learned how to import page templates into product details React components. Also, how to create React carousel components for product images. Next chapter, we will talk about how to register a new user, logging in and logging out.